All right, good morning. Uh, Finally get out on the water this weekend. I had some stuff to take care of yesterday, and last weekend was a really bad weekend for fishing. I went down to my mom's. She lives on Coldwater Lake there, and she down in southern Michigan, and had some pike action. Had a lot of bite off action, and just kind of didn't get anything worth putting out. And went and looked at a new boat yesterday, and kind of gonna start moving forward on that. Nothing wrong with the boat I got. I love her. She's an old war boat, but it's just time to upgrade. We do way too much stuff to be fishing in this small of a boat. But we're just gonna be out here peeling around, looking for some walleye. I just, as you've seen earlier in the clip, I was just doing a top water. There's muskie in this lake, so I always give a honest effort to try to look for some of them because they're here. Might as well try. Um, as always, focus is walleye and suspended fish, but um, there's a lot of largemouth bass and they're fun to catch. So I'm down with whatever I can get. So um, something I don't really talk about a lot and just kind of had a wake up this morning about it is I build all these custom fishing rods myself and I fish with them and I have friends and family that use them um, and everybody's always enjoyed them. But as far as my I guess I don't know how I want to say it. My focus doesn't really stay there. But yesterday was we went to the girlfriend's dad's, and I had built a rod for him. And his brother recently passed from cancer, and they were pretty close. And um, I know he's been feeling some loss after that, pretty hard. He lost his dad a couple of years before that, and um, they're all you know outdoorsmen. His dad was big into hunting, and Bree, her dad is you know loves hunting and fishing, and she wanted to build him a rod for Father's Day. So I got everything around and built him a rod, and she wanted to put her uncle's ashes in it for him, and that took some time. We didn't get the ashes for a while, and which is no big deal. And so I sat on it for a while. I didn't post anything about it, and but this is something I've done for a few people now, and it just blows me away how much people miss their loved ones and the times that were cherished when they were fishing with them or hunting with them, or just spending quality time outdoors. I always try to bring my little guy Jack as much as I can. He loves boats and just likes being outside, and that's I want him to have a lot of fond memories of us doing that too. And um, but anyway, a little off track. I We gave him that rod, and girlfriend took a video for her aunt so that she could see his you know real time reaction, and she just posted it to TikTok, and it is went just ridiculous. And I'm just thankful that people appreciate the work I'm doing, and um, these things aren't easy to make. They're time consuming, and it's just it's a kind of a labor of love. It's not a money thing, You're not going to make money really, and but it's just enjoyable to do this for people and stuff. And but even if you're not looking for something like that, just a solid, reliable custom fishing rod, something you can't get in the store. That's the whole reason I got into it. And yeah, enough about that. Let's try to catch some fish. Okay with that. That was a pike. He didn't fight hard though.